I am Kumar Ramesh Chandra Shah. In sets, that is standard 11, we are going to use application of union and intersection by distributive property. That distributive property we are learned by two ways. With the help of Venn diagram. Venn diagram is representation of the sets diagrammatically, means by diagram. In Venn diagram, rectangle is known as universal set, and inside the rectangle, small circles are known as sets. So there are two distributive properties. First, intersection distributive over union. So A intersection B union C is equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. The rectangular portion indicates in all diagram universal set, and the circle it's indicate for different set A, B, C. Now here three sets are given, and diagram must be like that where we have no alternate like two sets. So first we find out B union C, means we shaded the circle of B as well as circle of C. So we have to shade all this circle. Now this intersect with set A. So A intersection B union C means which portion is common in set A. So only this and this as per the diagram is common. That is statement number 1. Now we have to find out A intersection B, means in this diagram which portion is common. So only I am going to say you this shaded portion. Now A intersection C means which portion is common, this shaded portion. Now if you take union, that is A intersection B union A intersection C, so this is whole part same as statement number 1 and statement number 2. So that is known as A intersection B union A intersection C, statement number 2. From 1 and 2 we say that A intersection bracket start B union C bracket over is equal to bracket start A intersection B bracket over union bracket start A intersection C bracket over. That's end of distributive property over intersection over union. Now second, A union B intersection C is equal to A union B intersection A union C, that is union distribute over intersection. This property we are going to learn by taking example. So set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, set B is equal to 2, 3, 4, set C is equal to 2, 4, 5. First we find out whatever the bracket is given. So B intersection C is equal to element of set B, that is 2, 3, 4. Intersection element of set C 2, 4, 5. So which elements are common? 2 and 4. Now A union B, that is 1, 2, 3 union 2, 3, 4. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4. A union C, that is 1, 2, 3 union 2, 4, 5. So that is union means either in A set or B set or in B. But if the elements is coming 2 times, we have to write down only 1 time. That is A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we take LHS. LHS is equal to A union B intersection C. So element of A is 1, 2, 3, and B intersection C, that is ready previously. So we use that B intersection C. Now how many elements are there total? So 1, 2, 3, 4. That is statement number 1. Now we have to take A union B. That is A union B means 1, 2, 3, 4. Intersection A union C, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So which elements are common in both? So 4 elements. They are 1, 2, 3, 4. That is statement number 2. From statement number 1 and 2, we can say that LHS is equal to RHS. So A union bracket start B intersection C bracket over is equal to bracket start A union B bracket over intersection bracket start A union C bracket over. Now we are going to learn about the corners. That pre-knowledge of union, intersection and complement. There are two De Morgan's law, that is bracket start A union B, bracket over whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. So first we prove that with the help of a diagram. So A union B. So the whole portion of the inside the circle, that is known as A union B. Now what is complement of A union B? The set which the element which are present in the universal set but not present in A and B. So that is known as A union B complement, statement number 1. What do you mean by A complement? The element which is present in the universal set but not present in set A. What do you mean by B complement? So the elements which are present in universal set but not present in set B. So that is known as B complement. Now, A complement intersection B complement. So what portion is common in this four? So the common portion is the circular part elsewhere inside the rectangle but outside the circle. That is statement number 2. So from statement 1 and 2, LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, bracket start A union B bracket over whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. End of the law. Second, A intersection B whole complement is equal to A complement union B complement. So when we are doing complement, then we must define the universal set. So in this example, universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Set B is equal to 2, 3, 4. Now complement of A means the element which is present in the universal set but not in A, that is 5. That is B complement, same thing is that present in the universal set but not present in B. So out of 5, 3 is there, so 2 elements in B complement, that is 1 and 5. Now A intersection B means which element is common in A and B. So here B subset A, so A intersection B is equal to 2, 3, 4 and it's become B. So that is same as B complement. So A intersection B whole complement is equal to 1 and 5, statement number 1. Now A complement union B complement, so element of A complement is 5, union element of B complement is 1 and 5. So its union is 1 and 5, statement number 2. So from statement 1 and 2, that is LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore bracket start A intersection B bracket over whole complement is equal to A complement union B complement. Now conditional statement, that is most important things. That is my statement number 1. That is my statement number 2. So according to statement number 1 and 2, B is subset of A. Why? Because of every element of set B is also element of set A. So if we do this thing, then statement number 4 and 5. So A complement must be subset of B complement. That is first conditional statement. Second conditional statement, if B subset A, then B union A is equal to A. Third, if B subset A, then B intersection A is equal to B. That is clear by example number 1 and 2. These three is known as conditional statement. Thank you for watching this video.